How to change region on your Samsung device. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can easily change the country or region on your Samsung phone. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your Google Chrome and get to this website right here. I'm just going to leave a link on the description as well, so you can find it on the description. Once you get to this website, you are just going to sign in with your Samsung account. So just tap on sign in. If you are already using a Galaxy device, you can directly sign in by using the device, or you can sign in using your login credentials as well. So once you are logged in, you are going to land on the overview page. On the top, you can see different tabs like profile, security, privacy. You just want to head over to your profile tab right here. Once you get to your profile, you just have to scroll down and you will see your region right here at the bottom. Just tap on your region, and if you want to change it, tap on edit personal information. And from here, you can change your region like this. Go ahead and tap on country and region and change it to your desired location. After doing this, you can just tap on save and you're good to go. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.